Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a half-face typography effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened a new project, the square Canva 180 by 180. First of all, we need to add the image what we would like to use. I will use this one again, increasing the size a bit, moving to the left and going to the text, add heading, warm meow from Santa. So I'm going to the alignment, moving to the line to the left. Just I need to select the whole text, so align to the left. Font, we change the font to Anton, and going to the advanced settings and the line spacing, just decreasing a bit, and now we can play with the text. Maybe I need to decrease the line spacing a bit more, and to get an easier result or get the best result easier, we can go into the transparency and moving down. Actually, this will be changing back after, but now at the moment I have to take it like this. This might be too big. Even the cat, I just make it a bit smaller, and then the text also a bit smaller, like to this. Try to insert somewhere to here and increasing the text to this. Yeah. Even more like this. Yeah. Okay, now we can move the transparency back to 100%, open a new page, and Control C, Control V, or what is even better, we just Control X and Control V. When we're using the Control C, Control V, the text will be still in the first page, so we have to remove it. In this case, we can reduce the steps with one. And we also need some Christmas background. Like here, layer, send it back. Night looks good. Like this. Let's try this. And now we need to download both pages separately. Page 1 and download page 2. Yes, done. Open a new page again and moving these two pages to here like this, and open a fourth page also already. So going to the apps, and we need now blend image. We need this one. Yes, we need this blend image. Sorry, I always confuse with the blend image and the image blender, the two different applications, and we can use it for two different things. Basically, both are blending the images, but in a different way. So bottom layer, this one, and top layer, the second one, And we can use the screen blending mode screen, or also can use the lighten, but I think the screen is better. And moving to the going to the last page and add the design, changing the background to any color what we want, and increasing the size to the whole canvas size, and removing the background because it's white. It's much better if I like this. Plus we can copy the cat from the first page like this, increase the size a bit, and cut this image until we have this. And if we would like to have a bit more beautiful or more unique or more that, I'm going to the edit, shadow, glow, and also doing same with the text, glow. Plus we can cut a bit, maybe not really, but not just a bit, we just cut. Yeah, looks good. So this is how we can create this half face typography effect in Canva. We can use any image and we can create also with any text, but Christmas is coming, and of course this is why we like to have some beautiful Christmas related tutorials, and like to wishing a Merry Christmas to all of my followers, and here this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please don't forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm and let me to reach more and more people. Plus, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just let ask anything about Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in Instagram and TikTok pages you can find short form tutorials about Canva. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And once again, Merry Christmas for everyone and ciao.